In this video, I will be showing you how to add a manual time entry. This is a useful feature depending on the payment structure of the case. As you can see here, our payment structure is a standard retainer, which means we need to bill our time against the trust in order to earn money. This is still a useful feature for other payment structures if you want to track your time. So there are a couple of different ways that you can add a manual time entry. And to begin with, if you would like to add a manual time entry in the client's case, you're going to come down to the billing section and you will see a bar here with different options. Click on manual time entries, and on the right side of your screen, you'll see a blue button that says add time entry. When you click that, a window will pop up for you to add in your billing details. Something important to note here is that the Lawft system tracks your time or bills time down to the 10th of an hour. So for this example, I'm going to bill 0.2, and I'm going to choose from my firm's pre-selected billing codes. And in the description, I'm going to put what this activity was for. And you can also see here that I don't have a default hourly rate. So when putting in my time entry, I am going to update that. And when I have all the details in, I'm going to come down to the bottom right of this window and click the blue save button. When I click save, you'll see my time entry right here. The other way that you can add a manual time entry is at the very top. You see this white button that says add. This is a global option. So by clicking this, you'll see that I have several options, and at the bottom, there's new time entry. When I click that, it'll open the same window that we just saw within the case. What is cool about this is when you click the global button for adding a time entry, it can automatically detect what case you're in. So I am in slowly swift adoption. By clicking the global option at the top, it automatically knows that I am billing time for this case and will save it accordingly. So when I save this, it will automatically put this time entry here.